Hey, hey, who's on here? What's up, everybody? How's everyone doing today? Hey, guys, going live. So, today I'm going to be going over, yeah, everything. Hold on, I need to change my resolution 2560 by 480. Can you guys see the screen all right? I'm trying this today in low latency, so it might be a little different than normal. All right. So let's go over everything today that we got going on. So today on the market, it's been pretty interesting. Not going to lie. Everything's dumping pretty hard. I do have a position in Google that I'm slowly loading. So the position I'm doing is this pyramid. So basically, I bought 8 contracts around here. I'm buying 8 around here. And then I'm going to buy 16 down here, in the hopes that we come down into this area where we bounced before and the 200 is, and we bounce out of here. If we want to keep going down, I have this trend line down here. And I also kind of have this line in the sand down here at 150, which is the high back here. So this is kind of the play I'm doing. You also have a little bit of support here. My cat's going crazy on me. Got some support here. So yeah, what do you guys want to look at today? We can go over NQ a little bit. So NQ finally came down. It's in this area of the 100. So I think we could get a bounce here potentially. Obviously, QQQ isn't quite there yet. We're getting close on QQQ. We filled this gap back here. Should be some buyers in this area. Usually, you get a lot of buyers around the 618, the 50, and the 382. So just kind of hoping that we bounce here, but I guess we'll just have to see. If you traded today using my rules, you'll see that this morning it would have worked. So you don't trade the first hour. Then right here, you could call that a reset. That's for sure a reset. So you're either getting in here for 1.3, which eventually worked, took forever, or you're getting in here for 1.3, which also would have worked. So that's kind of how I rock and roll. Let's see here, guys. Okay, anyways. Sorry if today the resolution's a little lower than normal. Just make sure you set it to 1080p. You should be able to see it pretty well. I have one setting that's slightly off, but I'm just going to keep rocking. So what do you guys want to look at today? Here's the Mag 7. Definitely a sell-off today. Nvidia just getting absolutely murdered today. Like, wow. We are coming down into this level, though, of support right here. So, in my opinion, I think we could bounce like here. Could be pretty cool. Could be pretty cool. Let me take a look at NVDL options. October 18th. Oh, wow, they're expensive. Options definitely getting more pricey with the VIX spiking today. VIX almost back above 20. I think we're going to come back up into at least here and then maybe come back down. But we'll have to see. I'm going to grab some coffee. 1 second, guys. All right, so let's go over some things, guys. What was everyone trading today? How did ES do? ES also just, wow, look at that engulfing candle today. Jeez, and it's still dropping. I mean, it's just it's a nonstop drop. Non-stop drop. Let's see what Tony has to say. So far, this is very bearish. The bulls have not stepped in yet. We're oversold, so it might go lower, but it should get a bear entry tomorrow. Yeah, I agree. It's looking pretty bearish. Bulls have not stepped in at all. Let's look at SPY. So what's interesting is SPY is still really far above the 100. We have this gap to fill. So, yeah, I mean, this could definitely drop tomorrow too. No reason it doesn't have to. What do you guys want me to look at today? Anything in particular? Let's see. NQ. I mean, man, to me, today, it's just very clearly bearish. I don't really know what else to say about it. Like, we can draw some lines here. I mean, let's just have a little fun, right? Let's draw this like fan. I mean, yeah, there's no reason why it can't drop all the way to here. And then maybe bounce? I don't know. Let's see if we can draw some stuff on Google. I like to just take everything off sometimes. Similar story, maybe? I don't know. Pretty freaking low. I mean, we're coming into this level. So one strategy that I've seen some people do is just like trend line breaks, right? So they'll pull up the 4 hour. They'll draw a ray. So let me pull that up. Boom, boom. They'll do something like that. Could draw another ray here. Let me draw a ray from down here. And you've got the 200 basically right here. I'll change this to the daily. Jason PK, I was looking to sell Google puts, but I want it to be at 145, but the premium falls off hard after 150. Wish I could do... All right, guys. I need some of you to type in the chat. What are y'all looking for? What do you want me to go over today? Let's look at like platinum. Interesting. Platinum, a nice trend break there. Gorgeous. Nvidia. What did Apple do today? I think everything just fell out of bed, right? Wow. Jeez. Amazon respected that 200 pretty well. It's kind of what I'm hoping happens with Google as well. Let's see what else. Let's go look at a heat map. All right, maps. We'll do 1 week performance, S&P. Yeah, NVIDIA is getting absolutely wrecked. Let's look at Target. Target, wow. Look at that. It's an interesting play. Love 2 stacked moving averages like that. Man. I was in Nike and I should have held it longer. Pretty cool. CrowdStrike. Getting smacked. Yeah, that crossover. Look at that. Gorgeous. AMD. Yeah, dude. Anytime you get a crossover like this, it is such a good short. Really pretty. MU chips are getting hit. Whew. Man, MU looks ugly. That is not something I'd want to be in long right now. Burke B. Wow. Oh my gosh, man. Freaking Warren is such a boss. Look at that. That's what I should have been in. Adobe. Okay, interesting. Off the blue. I heard Boeing's just getting smashed today. Yeah. How's gold? Ripping. Getting a Bollinger Band squeeze on M&Q. Let's check it out. Chatting with the people in RLT right now. Yeah, no bulls today at all. Like none. It's crazy. Just none. You'd think we'd get a little pop here in the last hour, but there's no sign of it. I mean, maybe here? I don't know, man. I would not try to go long today. Some of you might think that's like kind of cool though. Double bottom. I don't know. Pretty crazy. All right, guys. I don't really know what to talk about today, so I need you to type it in. Let's go over some stuff. Tesla, depending on how he closed today, could be a 10 EMA setup. Something like that, maybe. Up into that gap fill. Could be kind of fun. What did you play today? I did not trade today. I've just been focused on Google and catching up on work stuff. The weekly 50 at 154. I didn't even see that. The weekly 50. Oof. That's nice. I didn't know about that level. Let's just take all these lines off for a second. I'm gonna make this pretty. Daily 100. Daily 200. Weekly 50. That's nice. Monthly 10. How about monthly 20? It's down there. All areas that this could bounce. A trip back up to like 172 right now. Right now, if it turned around and went up to 172, I'd make like $5,000. That'd be lovely. Let's see. Call it 650. 20 of them at 650. We went back to 170. Oh my gosh, that'd be amazing. Let's see what we get here. I think it's going to work out. Just gotta be patient. Patient. All right, guys. Well, I don't have a ton to talk about today. So, yeah, I mean, it's just slow. So we'll see if we get any buying into the close here. We have 45 minutes till the market closes, but have fun out there. Be safe. Run stop losses. And, yeah, keep your eyes on everything. Definitely a sell-off day. And I'm going to go hop in the shower. Take care.